Welcome back viewers, this is a new episode for trending dress and style from Mizoram. By the way, let me go on telling you tips to look attractive in front of others. This is applicable to both male and female of all ages. Looking attractive starts from the inside out. If you feel attractive, others will notice your confidence and find you attractive as well. There are some basic things you can do to improve your appearance while also staying healthy, like washing your face daily, staying fit, and choosing outfits that show off your style. Give off confident vibes by smiling often and portraying positive body language, and feel free to enhance your features using makeup if desired. Number 1. Pick out clothes according to your body type. There are all sorts of different body shapes, such as bear, apple, hourglass, or rectangle. Figuring out your body type will help you determine what kinds of clothes look best on you, narrowing down your search and making your body look its best. For example, if you're very curvy with a slim waist, you're likely an hourglass, while a top-heavy shape is an apple. If you're pear-shaped, things like brightly colored shirts and high-waisted bands look best on you, while scoop neck shirts and dresses look great on a rectangle-shaped figure. Number 2. Choose clothes that make you feel confident. You want to feel good about each article of clothing you own. Get rid of any clothing that no longer fits, and replace them with pieces you would feel confident wearing to a meeting, school event, or night out. Avoid choosing clothing just because you think it's trendy, only pick out clothes you truly love. Number 3. Dress appropriately for the occasion. The perfect outfit for a late-night concert is going to be different from the perfect outfit for a work meeting. Make sure you pick out clothes depending on the event or activity so that you look and feel your best. A good school outfit might include fitted jeans, a floral top, and fashionable sneakers. If you're going to work, you might wear a button-down with khakis and a belt. If you're going out with friends, opt for a fitted dress or nice pants and a dark-colored top. I hope you follow those points to get better confidence and opening new dimensions in your art of dressing. Also, closely look the kinds of dresses which are being screened and get the one that best fits you and order from your tailor. Continue to watch till the end.